Sunrisers Hyderabad reignited their mastery of defending low totals as they held their nerve to clinch a thrilling 4-run win over Royal Challengers Bangalore on Wednesday. Chasing 142, Bangalore needed 13 of the final over. But Bhuvneshwar Kumar defended the total with gutso despite a 6 by A.B. de Villiers to give his team some joy amidst a rough season. Bangalore were given an early jolt with Bhuvneshwar Kumar trapping Virat Kohli LBW with an incoming delivery in the first over. Daniel Christian's promotion to 3 backfired as he chipped a catch to mid-off Siddharth Kaur. KS Bharat, who scored 12, slammed 2 boundaries before falling to gloving behind off Umran Malik in the 7th over. Rashid Khan's first ball to Glenn Maxwell was whipped over deep mid-wicket in the 8th over. When Khan returned for his next over, Maxwell took on him again. Slog sweeping over long on for a 6 followed by a wristy sweep through deep mid-wicket. In between, Malik was beating Maxwell for pace. Maxwell's partnership of 54 with Devdutt Padikkal ended in the 15th over as a direct hit from a sliding Kane Williamson at cover caught the right-hander short of his crease while taking a quick single. Padikkal's painstaking struggle to break free ended when he holed out to deep mid-wicket of Khan in the 17th over. Shahbaz Ahmed took 11 off Malik in the 18th over, including 2 boundaries, to bring the equation to 18 runs in the last 2 overs. Ahmed was dropped by Kumar at long on in the start of the 19th over, but pulled straight to mid-wicket on the 4th ball of Jason Holter. At the end, 13 of the final over proved to be a tall order for Bangalore despite de Villiers, who didn't take the strike much in the innings. Earlier put into batting first, Hyderabad was off to a flying start with Abhishek Sharma hitting George Garden for a 4 and 6 in the 2nd over. Sharma was dropped at deep backward square leg by Mohammad Siraj, but Garden dismissed him on the very next ball, chipping a catch off the leading edge to mid-on. Kane Williamson got going with 2 boundaries against Siraj in the next over, claiming the drive through cover, followed by a back foot pull through square leg. He and Jason Roy catched upon anything loose to take Hyderabad to 50 for 1 at the end of power play. From there, Bangalore enforced a slowdown with Yuzvendra Chahal and Shahbaz Ahmed bowling in tandem. Harshal Patel broke the 70-run partnership in the 12th over, getting Williamson bowled with an off-cutter. 3 overs later, Priyam Garg's bid to go big ended in pulling to deep mid-wicket of Daniel Christian. 1 brought 2 for Christian as Roy's middling stay at the crease ended with the bowler completing a quick written catch on follow-through. Hyderabad's troubles increased as Yuzvendra Chahal trapped Abdul Samad LBW in a successful review on the first ball of the 16th over. 2 overs later, Wriddhiman Saha miscued loft to long off on and off cutter from Patel. Patel had his 3rd wicket of the match as Jason Holder pulled out to long on the final ball of the innings, which was enough on a sluggish pitch to win. IANS Report.